Motorola, repairing dead boot and fixing hang-on logo issues for Motorola smartphones. In this informative video, we will walk you through the process of flashing Motorola firmware stock ROM to revive your device. If you are facing problems such as a completely unresponsive device or it getting stuck on the logo screen, this tutorial is tailored just for you. Our step-by-step tutorial will provide you with the necessary knowledge and skills to bring your Motorola smartphone back to life. By downloading the Motorola firmware stock ROM, you will be equipped with the essential software needed to resolve boot-related troubles and logo screen hiccups. We will guide you through the entire flashing procedure, ensuring a smooth and successful process. Why choose our guide? We are experts in Motorola smartphone repairs and have in-depth knowledge of their firmware and software. With years of experience, we've encountered and resolved countless dead boot and logo hang issues. Now, we are sharing our expertise with you. Stay tuned to discover the effective techniques employed to overcome these common problems. By following our instructions, you will gain valuable insights on how to identify and fix dead boot problems, as well as resolve logo hang situations. Rest assured that our guide is designed to empower you with the necessary skills to tackle these issues confidently. Don't let an unresponsive device or logo screen hinder your smartphone experience any longer. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the play button and let's dive into our comprehensive tutorial on repairing dead boot and fixing hang-on logo problems for Motorola smartphones. Revive your device and get it back into working order by flashing the Motorola firmware stock ROM. The ultimate solution awaits.